Yes, so this was the laptop that was given to teachers, and we're going to look at this laptop right here. So let me just unbox it and then show you what's inside this laptop. Let's go. So we have the laptop and the rubber right here, and you can see it has the Ghana flag on it. So let me just take it from the rubber to show you how it really looks like. And with this laptop, most of them, they are all in black color, okay, with the flag on it. As you can see, another one is here. So black with the Ghana flag on it, which is very nice, Charlie. I don't know why they didn't add white color to it. I know it's because of some reason, but let's see something from here. So on the right side of the laptop, these are some of the things that we have here. So we have the USB 2.0 port, we have RJ45 here to connect RJ45 connectors, okay, and also we have USB 2.0 port, another one here, and also we have earphone, and we have the micro USB card here. So you can just input your micro SD right here to one increase your laptop space. Okay, so let's continue from here, and these are all we have on the right side of the laptop. So moving on, let's see what we also have on the left side. Okay, so we just look at the right side. Now on the left side too, this is what we have on the left side. We have the DC in, that's the power cable to charge it, and then also we have USB 3.0 right here port. Yes, the USB 3.0 port on the left side, and also we have the mini HDMI. So mini HDMI right here. So these are all we have on the left side too, and with the front side we have nothing right here. Okay, but below it we have the speakers. Yes, below it. Okay, so let's see what we also have left in the box. Okay, so we have this box. Let me just take it out and let's see what's inside. So looking at this, I think we have this chargers. Yeah, the chargers right here. So these are the chargers, the head, and also the cord to the PC. Okay, so if you're not subscribed at this time, subscribe for more updates, unboxing, and then a lot of stuff right here. So let's see, we also have something here, I think. Let's see. Yes, TMI notebook family project product, sorry. So we have just like a quick start guide, okay, which will tell you a lot about the PC and everything. So let's go back to the PC again, and now we are going to boot it. But now let's see, they've designed something here to help you open it, very simple. So this will help you to just open the laptop through here. Okay, so now we're going to boot the laptop, and this is a product from KA Technologies, and this is TM1. So TM1 from KA Technologies, and you can see everything is cool here. It's so nice. Yes, you have the touchpad, left and the right click. You also have the camera. I'll show you. We look at how the camera is, the quality of the camera. We look at it there. So let's boot the machine, the laptop, and see how it is. Okay, so when you boot it, it takes like 10 to 15 seconds, then your machine is ready for use. Okay, so let's wait a little to see. And yes, kindly also give us a like. Okay, give me a like, and then I'll really like it. Yes. Okay, so let's see. Below here we have some stuff right here at the taskbar. Okay, so when I got it, the battery was just 100%, which means now it is 99 remaining. Okay, so let's see. We have the curriculum here. Okay, because the teacher's laptop all has been installed, but let's see how the curriculum is what's so special about the curriculum. It has computing, creative arts, and a lot. Ghanaian language. Let's see what's inside the Ghanaian language so that we can look at how they've built the PDFs for us, okay, so that they can use for teaching and also any practical aspects. So you have the Ghana Education Service, Ministry of Education right here, Ghanaian language, KG1 to Basic 3. And Charlie, this is very nice. The government has really done well, Charlie. Yeah. So it's in content, okay. You can just go through. So this how the curriculum is, okay. It's a type 1 or it's made perfect, yes. But let me just go to the settings and then let's look at the storage, okay. So the storage, let's search so that it will be very simple. Storage usage on other drives. So with the local storage, we have like 130 gig free on the local disk, and then local disk C, okay, we have 130, and also local disk D, we have 72, which is in total you have like 200 gig for free. So teachers, you can at least also download some videos from internet to show your students, okay. So that's the storage space. But let's look at something from the box, okay. I saw something of which I want you guys to look at it. And with the laptop, it is 14 inches, okay. The size is 14 inches. You have the CPU, that's the Celeron N420 4020, yeah. And the RAM is 4 gig. So not your usual laptop for playing games and doing a lot of stuff. So the storage is 256 gig. And also with the camera, we have 0.3 camera. So you can imagine the quality of the picture. I'll show you. And also the battery is 5000 mAh. Yes, so the case is a plastic case, and this PC is running a Windows 10 right now as I'm talking. So any teacher's laptop is running a Windows 10, okay. So you can also update or upgrade it. So let's go back to our PC and let me show you the quality of the camera. Okay, so this is how the camera looks on the laptop, okay. So with the laptop, this is the quality. So with the camera, that's the quality, and also with the video, this is the quality. So you can see that this is not your type of laptop for you to be taking pictures, sure. So they also have some settings here. I think with that one you can improve upon the photo quality, but when you change it, I think this will go to a lesser one, but it's the same quality. And also with the video today, also have this one here, 480 and then 240. So I think whether you like it or yes, this is the quality for the video and also for the pictures, okay. You should understand, you should know that this is not your type of camera for taking pictures or videos. So as you can see, comparing to this, you can see there is a big difference for teaching only. So that's all about the camera, okay. Let's continue. So that's all about the teacher's laptop. So subscribe to the channel for more videos from here, and then you'll get more videos from us, okay. So check this video out, and then it can help you a lot. Click on it to watch, and thanks to teachers for always teaching us so well. God bless them. See you again. Bye.